If you've ever wanted a luxury car that actually feels special, but didn't want to destroy your finances getting one, this video is for you. Because here's the truth nobody tells you about used BMWs. Some of them are absolute financial nightmares. Cheap interiors, endless warning lights, repair bills that hit harder than the car payment ever did. But others still feel expensive years later. Cars that turn heads in traffic, make every drive feel premium, and honestly give you way more presence than most brand new economy cars people are paying insane money for today. And the craziest part? Some of these BMWs now cost less than a basic Honda Civic. So in this video, we're going through 4 used BMWs under $15,000 that still make you feel rich every time you drive them. And no, I'm not just talking about speed. I'm talking about luxury presence, interior quality, road presence, ownership experience, and that feeling that you bought way more car than you paid for. But there's a catch. Not every version of these cars is a smart buy. Some engines are reliable, some are ticking time bombs. So I'll also show you which versions are worth buying, and which ones you should avoid completely if you don't want a financial disaster sitting in your driveway. Let's start with one of the most underrated luxury BMWs on the used market right now. Number 1 is the BMW 640i, specifically the F06, F12, and F13 generation. And honestly, this might be one of the biggest "how is this car so cheap now?" moments in the entire used luxury market. Because when this car first came out, it looked expensive. And somehow, even today, it still does. The long hood, the wide stance, the frameless doors, the aggressive LED lighting, everything about this car still gives off the presence of something that should cost $70,000 or $80,000. Most people on the road still assume you paid serious money for it. But now, you can actually find decent examples for under 15 grand, which is kind of insane when you think about what this car used to represent. And the reason the 640i works so well for this list is because it doesn't just look rich. It genuinely feels rich. The interior still feels special, even by modern standards. Leather everywhere, ambient lighting, massive, comfortable seats, a smooth ride on the highway. Everything about this car feels designed to make you feel successful the second you sit behind the wheel. But this is where you need to be careful, because not every version of this car is a smart buy. The version you want is the 640i with the N55 inline-6 engine, not the V8 650i, and that difference matters a lot. The N55 has a significantly better reputation long-term. It's smoother, simpler, cheaper to maintain, and overall much safer financially compared to BMW's older twin-turbo V8s, which can become brutally expensive once problems start showing up. Now, obviously, this is still a German luxury car, so maintenance is never going to be cheap. You still need to watch for things like oil leaks, cooling system problems, valve cover gasket leaks, and neglected maintenance from previous owners. But compared to what this car originally cost brand new, the value here is honestly unbelievable. And maybe the best part about the 640i is that it still has emotional impact. You walk away from it in a parking lot and still look back at it. It still feels special. And finding a car that gives you that feeling for under $15,000 is becoming very rare today. Number 2 is the BMW Z4, specifically the E89 generation. And this is the kind of car that completely changes how people see you when they realize what you paid for it. Because even today, the Z4 still looks like an expensive weekend toy owned by someone who clearly has money. Low stance, long hood, aggressive proportions, retractable hardtop. This thing still has real presence on the road, especially for the price. And what makes the E89 so interesting is that it gives you something most modern affordable cars completely lost: emotion. This car isn't just transportation, It feels like an experience every time you drive it. Top down on a cool evening, inline 6 sound in the background, sitting low to the ground. It gives you that classic BMW feeling that made so many people fall in love with the brand in the first place. But just like every BMW on this list, choosing the right version matters a lot. The sweet spot here is the Z4 Strive 30 Wows with the naturally aspirated N52 inline 6. That engine has one of the best reputations BMW has built in the modern era. Smooth, reliable, simpler than the turbocharged options, and honestly, one of the last truly old-school BMW engines before everything became smaller and more complicated. Now, yes, there are faster versions. The turbo models make more power. But if you're trying to buy smart and avoid turning your fun weekend car into a financial nightmare, the N52 is absolutely the safer choice. And the crazy thing is that this car still feels genuinely premium inside. The cabin design aged surprisingly well, the driving position feels special, and because it's a retractable hardtop instead of a soft top, the car still feels refined and solid even with the roof up. Of course, ownership still requires caution. You need to look for cooling system maintenance, oil leaks, suspension wear, and signs of neglected ownership, especially because many of these cars were bought by people who wanted the image of a luxury sports car, without always budgeting for proper maintenance. But if you find a clean example, this might be one of the cheapest ways to genuinely feel like you own an expensive European sports car without spending exotic car money. And honestly, that feeling alone is a huge part of why cars like this still matter. Number 3 is the BMW 528i, specifically the F10 generation. And this car might honestly be the definition of executive luxury for normal people money. Because when this generation first came out, it looked like a serious status symbol. Clean lines, wide body, elegant proportions. This thing had the presence of a real executive sedan. And even today, parked next to newer economy cars, it still looks expensive. But what makes the F10 528i such a strong value today is how much car you're getting for the money. The interior still feels incredibly premium. Soft leather, ambient lighting, massive cabin space, smooth ride quality. Everything about this car feels designed for someone who spends hours on the highway in comfort. It has that quiet confidence older BMWs did so well, where it doesn't need to scream for attention to feel expensive. And honestly, this is the kind of BMW that surprises people the most once they sit inside. Because the second those doors close, the car immediately feels more expensive than what most people expect from a used car under $15,000. Now, the version you really want here is the early 528i with the naturally aspirated N52 inline 6, if you can find one. Those are becoming harder to find, but they're generally considered the safer long-term option. Some later models came with the turbocharged 4-cylinder N20 engine, and while those cars can still be good buys, timing chain issues on neglected examples became a major concern, especially if maintenance history is questionable. And that's really the story with this car overall. A well-maintained F10 feels incredible for the money. A neglected one can become stressful very quickly. You still need to watch for typical BMW aging problems like oil leaks, suspension wear, cooling system maintenance, and electronic issues that naturally come with older luxury cars. But compared to newer luxury sedans that lost a lot of character chasing giant screens and touch controls, the F10 still feels solid, elegant, and genuinely premium in a very old-school BMW way. And maybe that's why so many people still love these cars. Because this wasn't just transportation. This was the kind of car people dreamed about owning when they finally became successful. And now, somehow, they're sitting on the used market for the price of a basic commuter car. And number 4 is the BMW X3 xDrive 35i, specifically the F25 generation. And this might be one of the smartest luxury SUV buys BMW ever made for people who want performance, practicality, and that premium BMW feeling without spending insane money. Because here's the reality. SUVs completely dominate the American market now. People want the higher seating position, the extra space, the comfort, the practicality for everyday life. But most affordable SUVs feel painfully boring. Cheap interiors, weak engines, numb driving experience. They get the job done, but they don't feel special. The X3 xDrive 35i is different, because underneath the practicality, this thing still feels like a real BMW. The steering feels sharp for an SUV. The chassis feels planted. And thanks to the N55 turbocharged inline-6, this thing has way more power than most people expect the first time they drive one. It's smooth, fast, comfortable, and still feels genuinely premium years later. And visually, it still holds up incredibly well. Clean design, aggressive front end, upscale interior. This is the kind of SUV that still blends into wealthy neighborhoods without looking outdated. Most people would never guess some of these are now sitting under $15,000. But once again, the engine choice matters. And thankfully, the xDrive 35i gets one of BMW's best modern engines, the N55. It's not perfect, but compared to many other turbo BMW engines from that era, it has a much stronger reputation long-term if properly maintained. Now, of course, you still need to be careful. Oil leaks, water pumps, cooling system maintenance, suspension wear, and neglected service history can still turn these into expensive mistakes if you buy the wrong example. A luxury SUV with deferred maintenance can drain your wallet very quickly. But if you find a clean one with solid maintenance records, the value here is honestly hard to ignore. You're getting real luxury, real performance, real practicality, and a driving experience that still feels far more expensive than what these cars cost today. And honestly, that's what makes these BMWs so interesting right now. They still give you the feeling people originally fell in love with, just without the original price tag. So at the end of the day, this is what makes the used BMW market so interesting right now. Yes, the wrong BMW can absolutely become a financial nightmare. But the right one still gives you a luxury experience that feels far more expensive than what you actually paid. The 640 still feels like a high-end grand touring car. The Z4 still makes every drive feel special. The F10500-28 still has real executive luxury presence. And the X3 xDrive 35 proves a practical SUV can still feel genuinely premium and fun to drive. And honestly, that's why people still love these cars years later. Not just because of the badge, but because of the feeling they give you every time you get behind the wheel. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe because we're going to keep breaking down the smartest used BMW buys, the biggest money pits to avoid, and the hidden gems most people completely overlook in today's market.